Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and I am so sorry that I have been gone for a couple weeks. I have been kind of really busy planning my sister's bachelorette party and going to the actual party. I was in Denver, Colorado. I had a lot of fun. I was going to vlog, but I didn't because I just, I was there for my sister, and it was a really great time. But I am back, and I'm going to make new content for you guys. And since my birthday was this weekend, my friend got me this really awesome Japan crate, which I've always wanted to try, and it's from FYE. I had no idea FYE made Japan crates, so I'm super excited to do this. I love Japan, and I love anime, and I love snacks, so this is perfect because it's everything I love in one. So I thought I would do one of those taste test videos with you guys because I don't know, those always look so much fun and I always wanted to do it, so I thought, why not? So I even did my makeup to match the box. I was like, you know what, let's do this orange vibe. Yes. So let's open her up. It says, the Japan crate has partnered with FYE to offer an exclusive crate full of the best Japanese candy, snacks, and drinks you can only find in Japan. Inside you will find 15 items, including a crazy Japanese candy, a drink, a DIY kit, and a collectible bonus item. A $10 gift voucher towards any 3, 6, or 12-month prepaid subscription. If I could talk, gosh. And a magazine that includes product descriptions, instructions, and a lot more. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I am really excited. Oh, here we go. We got a lot of snacks and things. I am really excited to get in on this. Okay, so this is the magazine that lets you know, or mangazine that lets you know everything that's in it. So it's really cute. We have a little manga styled people there. And inside it has all the listings of all the foods. And it has some flavors in Japan, some little cute what winter's Japan. So this must have been like a winter box, I'm guessing, since it has a bunch of like stuff like it says learn Japanese and it tells you how to say it seems like it's going to snow, and says, oh, let's celebrate Christmas together. I'm not going to attempt trying to say it. I'll say tenshi, which is angel. Now I can't even speak in English. Angel. And it talks about sakura mochi, which I love mochi, but I don't think any of that is in here. And it talks about tempura, and like yuki wo furi so dasu yone. I'm not gonna attempt. I'm bad. I cannot pronounce anything. But that's really cool, and it teaches you how to do the DIY kit. So we'll get into that later. I'm gonna keep it open to the page of what everything is, and let's get going. Well, the first thing that catches my eye is I see some ramune, and I love ramune. It's like a staple if you're a weeb, basically. And oh my God, Sasuke's on it. We have Sasuke from Naruto on it. I love it. He's so cute. He's like a little chibi version on the melon. Oh my God. Okay. So let's pop this before anything. So this could like be our cleanser of our palate between all snacks, because like maybe something will be gross and you never know. So let's get that. Let's pop our ramune. One of the most satisfying things ever. Oh God, it's gonna be a little hard trying to do it on camera. But ready? Okay. Okay, I have to do it on the table. I'm sorry, I tried to make it look dramatic so you could see, but oh my God, why is it? This one does not want to go. There we are. I'm really excited. It's melon flavor, which is one of my favorite flavors, so. That is good. I probably should have, made it cold, but whatever. All right, let's go start with the first thing I see. It just says potato chips. So I'm assuming that it's just potato chips, hopefully. Let's read. Potato chips salted. This is the perfect on-the-go snack. Enjoy this light salt, or shio in Japanese, potato chip that has a nice crisp finish. So I'm just going to assume this is a plain potato chip. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not actually a really big potato chip person. Oh my God, I can't open this either. This box is just made to not let me open it. But let's see. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a potato chip. Looks like a potato chip. It's like, It doesn't taste like a typical potato chip though. Like it does, but there's like another little flavor that I can't tell what it is, but oh, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or reproductive harm. Whatever. But it tastes pretty good. It says it's onion powder, so that might be a little bit of onion flavor. I like it. That was good. Alright. Okay, the next thing I picked up is the DIY kit, but I'm gonna do that later. But attached to it, oh, it's a little donut keychain. How'd they know? I'm the donut princess. Yes. Oh, it's a squishy too. It's one of those squishy ones. That is super cute. Hold on. It's pink with little sprinkles and it's squishy. Oh, I like this. That's cute. It'll go on my purse. Okay. Next thing I think, oh god, I think I'm picking up all the savory things first. This one, it has little, looks like puff balls, and there's like a little frog police on the cover, like a military frogman. This is called, oh god, here, Kiabatsu Taro. I probably butchered that. I am so sorry. But these come in a brown sauce flavor, like taiyaki, with a sprinkling of nori flakes. They are so addictive that in Japan they come in an XXL size bag. We think they taste a bit like vinegar and has us wanting to eat takoyaki. Okay. I'm a little nervous because it tastes like vinegar. I'm not the biggest person with vinegar. But here we go. They're cute. So this is the packaging. They look like little puff balls, like Cheeto Puffs. They smell like vinegar. Okay. They taste like, you know the puff corn? That is what that tastes like. It's really good. Not as vinegary as I thought. I'm good. I'm good. I'm a fan. Let's cleanse the palate with some sasuke ramune. I love that so much. Okay, oh, we have another, oh, we got 2 donuts. I don't know if we were supposed to get 2 or I just got lucky, but I got another little donut keychain. Look at this. It's like mint one with a little chocolate drizzle. Yes. Oh, it's squishy. This is so soft. Like, I like this. I could just touch this all day. Squish, 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 squish. Okay. Here we go. We got another thing. This looks like some happy corn eating some more corn. So I got another savory item. Let's look up on here. This is called the sakaku vegetable. I sounded so Western there. Sakaku. Okay, we have the Senkaku vegetable crackers. This Murakashi Wataro comes in a unique chili and fermented bean paste flavor. Okay, I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that. It's a crisp, puffy snack to enjoy and share with friends. That's what we're gonna go with. This. All right, let's see, bean paste. That could be pretty good. All right. God, I need to actually work on Japanese and pronouncing things because I'm literal garbage. Like, I cannot. Okay. Okay, smells interesting. So they look like this. They're like kind of like puffy corn things. All right, let's do this. Softer in texture than I would think, but it tastes kind of like popcorn again, with a little bit of a Frito flavor. So like they have the consistency of the popcorn, and it's soft and yeah, it's really good. I like it. That was good. Okay. Oh, I think let me get a sip of ramen. Cleanse the palate out, and then we have. Oh, I think I got a first sweet thing. Thank you, finally. And this is a. Is that one? Yeah. A chewing straw candy cola flavored. So chew in Japanese is a sound effect for 2 things: a kiss and when you drink out of a straw. This candy's name is a pun as these sour cola flavored candy straws are chewy, but also the sourness will make your face pucker. Chewing sour candy straws. Get it? Oh, because they put chew and then wing, like chewing. Okay. Alright, this sounds good. I love cola flavored things. I love sour gummies. So I am super hyped for this one. This is what it looks like. It's got a little, oh, I didn't show the packaging. Whoops. As I ripped it. Packaging's cute. It's just a little red and a little cola on it. Oh, crap. I'm dropping everything. Jesus. Calm down. Alright. Oh, this is good. This straight up tastes like cola. Like, alright. You did that. Yeah, I like this. This was good. 10/10 would recommend that. Alright, the next thing, oh. This is, I should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Alright, the next thing, looks like a giant crisp snack. Let's see, on here it says that this is the, hold on. Where are you? Big Z bar. Okay, it's a Big Bar Z white chocolate. Big Bar Z remains to be one of the most popular items. This crunchy puff bar is covered in a rich white chocolate glaze. It'll be sure to be one of your favorites. Ooh, so it's like kind of like a Cocoa Puff maybe? Ooh, that'll be good. Let's try it. Okay, so, oh, I didn't show the packaging. So this is the packaging, standard packaging, and it looks like a giant white, like cereal, honestly. All right, let's look. It's so good. It kind of tastes like a wafer. I like that. I ain't mad. Not what I was expecting, but I liked it. All right. Next we have mini butter cookies. High quality mini butter cookies. All right. I have high hopes for this one because I love myself a butter cookie. This sounds so good. Let's get this open. All right, I'll read the thing. These buttery biscuits are the perfect pair to your afternoon tea. Sweets and tea are not only popular in Europe, but also in Japan. Have a taste of this experience with these mini butter cookies. Ooh, I'll have to make myself some tea later. Yes. I just bought some new Earl Grey tea, so maybe I'll make myself some Earl Grey, have some cookies. All right. There's a little packaging, got a little blue guy on it, and the cookies are just a plain old little butter cookie. Tastes like a butter cookie. Really delicious. Oh, here's my gift voucher. Alright, next thing we got is, ooh, this actually looks familiar. I know this is going to be savory. I remember I bought one of these at MegaCon, and it was shrimp flavored, and I don't like shrimp or fish or seafood, so I was literally grossed out. But let's read it. Let's read what this actually was. I only bought it back in the day because the packaging was so cute. Like, look how cute. That is adorable. I love that. So, umaibo tonkatsu flavor. Umaibo is a classic snack that comes in many different flavors. This month we are featuring a tonkatsu flavor. It's a crunchy, light, salted, and savory snack. All right, let's do this. I'm a little nervous. Smells. All right. Okay. Okay. Not that bad. I was nervous for nothing. I can't place what it is, but it tastes really good. It wasn't fishy, so we were good there. That was really nervous. I was like, oh god, I got one of these before and it was shrimp and I died. I just don't like seafood. It's a personal thing. But I'm gonna cleanse the palate because it has a very strong flavor. It's a very strong taste. Like, it wasn't disgusting, but it was very strong. I'm gonna go with this little guy. Oh, he got smashed, but that's okay. He's cute. And he is a Yukin Fugashi. With a sponge-like airy texture and a crunchy sweet coating of black sugar, Fugashi is a simple and tasty retro dagashi snack. God, I suck at pronouncing things. I'm so sorry. One Japan Crate staff member described this as eating a cloud. Oh, that's exciting. I want to eat a cloud. I love, like, when I was just on a plane, as I said, I was in Denver. I love looking on the plane, just, like, looking at the clouds. Oh, this one's crumbly, though, because it's been smashed. So, let's, It's okay. I wouldn't call it my favorite thing. It is very light. Like, I get the eating a cloud reference, but it's just kind of plain. It wasn't my favorite. Alright. Next we have, well, this is cute. It's a little ball. This is what it looks like. It is the double ice cream lollipop, chocolate, and vanilla. A lollipop flavored like ice cream. The top is a bittersweet chocolate scoop and the bottom is a sweet creamy vanilla. Okay, I actually think I'm going to save this for a little bit at the end so I can enjoy it more. Because it's a lollipop and I don't want to just like start it and not finish it. So we'll go to this, and this looks like another cola item. It is the Megum Cola Candy Chew, a nice taffy-like chewy candy that tastes strongly like everybody's favorite fizzy drink. Cola flavor is very popular in Japanese candy and is one of the great examples of it. So it's another cola flavor. Let's do this. I don't know about this cola flavor. Okay. It looks like an Airhead. Or a Laffy Taffy. Ooh. I like that. That is good. I like that. Okay. This is a chocolate chip cookie. Many chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are a universal favorite. Are here from Japan in cute bite-sized morsels. You'll have to stop yourself from eating the whole bag at once. I mean, it's not a whole bag. There's only 2, so like here it shows like an actual bag, but it just looks like a little packet of cookies, which is fine. I don't need all that snacks, you know. It's a lot of snacks I already have here. So there we go. We open it up, and this is what they look like. Just I can't really see any chocolate chips, but oh, that's because it's filled with chocolate. Oh, that's good. I like that. That is good. Yeah, I'm about this. That was tasty. It was like a chocolate filled cookie. I like that. Alright, so we have one more item to try. Oh, this looks so good. It's a fluffy soft mallow. So it's just a giant, it's a yolk and long marshmallow. A marshmallow with 4 colorful flavors twisted into one long stick. Sweet, light, and fluffy. I love marshmallow candy. Oh yes, here we go. This looks so cute too. It's like right pastel-y. Totally fits the aesthetic of my life. Super soft, super pastel and rainbow. Oh my god. That is good. And let's finally go into this lollipop. It's a chocolate lollipop, it said, right? Yeah, the chocolate ice cream lollipop. So let's see. Oh, it's not that pretty looking. But it's like, there's supposed to be scoops of ice cream with chocolate and vanilla. It just tastes like, kind of like you're sucking on a Tootsie Roll. Or like a caramel, like a chocolate caramel. It's good. It's good. I'm alright with it. So that was everything that was like everything that I tasted. That was the end of the box. I was very surprised. I actually didn't hate anything. I thought there was going to be stuff that I was going to find disgusting. But everything tasted alright. The cloud thing wasn't really my favorite, I guess, of all of it. I really loved the sour cola straws. Those might be my absolute favorite. I can't wait to demolish these. This has made me even more hungry than I already was. I didn't eat before this because I was like, oh, I'm gonna be snacking, and now I'm starving. So this was really cute, and I love this, and thank you, Brooke, so much for this gift because this was amazing and just had so much fun making this video. I finally got to do one of those tasting videos. I love watching those. I just haven't, for some reason, bought a tasting box. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything. I can't wait to finish all these when the camera is off. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I would just be so rad of you guys, and it would help the channel out so much. Thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!